Hello, I'm going to demonstrate the Customer Value Analysis Analytic application. We start off by looking at the All Customer Segments dashboard to give an overview across the whole organization. In the KPI dashboard on the top left, you can see that revenue and gross margin are on target, but the net margin is below target and falling. To improve overall net margin, a best practice approach is to improve poorly performing customers within your highest volume segment, as any improvements here can have a significant impact on the bottom line. Over on the right-hand side, we can see that the commercial segment is the top segment both for revenue and for net margin, so any improvements here to poorly performing customers can have a real impact. Let's drill down and get more information. Here in the commercial segment dashboard, we can see the cumulative net margin chart here, known as a whalebone curve. By ordering customers along the x-axis from the most profitable to the least profitable, we can clearly see which customers are profit creators, break-even customers, and profit destroyers. Let's take a look at the profit destroyers and decide how to make them more profitable. Down here, we can see that Adderstron Devices is the worst performing customer with a large negative net margin. Let's look at the P&L statement for Adderstron Devices to see how we might be able to transform this profit destroyer into a net profit creator. The P&L summary on the left-hand side here shows the usual P&L items plus the indirect costs derived from SAP Business Objects Profit and Cost Management, and consequently shows real net profit. This summary is shown in dollars as well as by percentage of customer revenue. The percentage of customer revenue enables us to benchmark Adderstron Devices against the overall segment. This benchmarking shows that discounting, distribution, and the cost of sales are out of line with the overall segment. This gives us a place to start our analysis. The top right pane shows a list of discriminators, which are causal factors linked to activity costs in the profit and loss statement. The top discriminator shows that average order size is very much lower in Adderstron compared to the overall segment. This drives distribution costs through economies of scale. And since distribution cost is already one of the costs that we've identified that we want to have an impact on, this is a very good place to start. The key account manager can now negotiate with Adderstron to increase order sizes to take advantage of these economies of scale. This is an example of how customer value analysis can bring actionable insight to the business decision makers and have a real impact on the bottom line.